This video will show you how to create and edit a drop-down list in Excel. Enter the list of drop-down values in a column. Click the cell where you want to insert your drop-down. Click the Data tab. Data Validation. Click the Allow drop-down, select List. Check the box In Cell drop-down option. Check the box Ignore Blank option. This option allows users to be able to leave the drop-down empty without an error message. Click the text box under Source. Select your drop-down's list values. Click Input Message. Check box Show Input Message when cell is selected. This displays a pop-up message when the drop-down cell is selected. Enter a title and input message. Click Error Alert. Check box Show Error Alert after invalid data is entered. An error message will pop up when a user types invalid data into the drop-down cell. Select an error icon in the Style drop-down. Enter a custom title and error message. Click OK.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.